mar kembe mag sukari.
Kata kamano kapok wachopo kanyo.
Yes.
Wawinja ne Dr. Salome benda ng'eni wach moro ila inyanya ko tudore kod nengo mar fuela mabende jatend piny no ko.
Wachi.
Ado ero kamano Sharon kuna actually there's onge gima Hamas and Israel. There is no oil that comes from these two countries. So that is neither there or there. That's you living in a world that is not real. Mano chir. Gima dwa wacho ni cost of living amor kaka owino goyo mamos kendo makuri. I wacho ni this government should seek advisors who know what they are doing. The Minister of Transport and the PS of Transport should be people who are in sync of how to run transport business. Okinyal Kao, somebody who does not know. So, and Ruto is a very good man. I want to say that openly. He's a very good man. But some people that he has put in power, Jikaka Moses Kuria Geri, what value are they adding? Really, let's be sincere here. What values are they adding as cabinet ministers? So he has to put his house in order. Okay, order a house in order. Awinjoko wino wacho maber kabisa nyanza. Amor nikijita goresani. Nuamigi sirikal madikoro tiyo maber to negiweyo. Koro wewe jio thagre. But the truth of the matter, as a Luo, speaking from this station, Luos, we have a lot of things. That's where I agree with the winner. If we focus on that, on what unites us, than on what divides us, we are a better community. Makilangatobong. Lake Victoria, it's holding 3 countries. Nyalo di nyaka Rwanda, nyaka Burundi. Because from Tanzania it can go. If it is made use well, and that's what he's talked about PPP. Kikwadi cow loans. Wakao kaka wanyalo timo private partnership. Mondo tieknwa gik moko. Kagi wacho karani gi cow pesa gi after 10 years. After 10 years, one gi project mapod run. Kenya Railways was there when my grandfathers were there. My great-grandfathers have died. My grandfathers have died. We are the living generation. My parents have gone. We are the living Kenya Railways don't get put into. And what he has said about if Kenya Railways or SGR, the new name that we have given it, Kenya Lutia Tiama Ber Kisumo, there's no Luo who needs to come.